The core values the Pro Football Hall of Fame and the Army stands for are something that I try to live my life by on a daily basis. So to be recognized as one of the 25 people left in this competition is truly an honor for me.
Ben's a very determined individual. He has a quiet confidence about him. I think he's very motivated to do his best, no matter what the situation is.
We're really proud of everything he's accomplished to this point, and it's really nice to see all his hard work being recognized.
You know, as a sophomore, he won the quarterback position after the first week of the season his sophomore year. He had a couple little rough starts. I told him just to stay the course. The ability's there, and he'll pick it up, and he did. He had the ability to see beyond and to know what was going to lie ahead for him.
He's fortunate enough to have been a captain in all 3 sports in which he participates, and I think that instilled in him some confidence to be a leader on these new teams.
He does the right thing day in and day out. I see the way he is with our younger kids, and that's a direct reflection of home.
We're proud to partner with the U.S. Army, both highly revered institutions. The Pro Football Hall of Fame and the U.S. Army share the same strong values and a commitment to excellence.
My cousin is a medic for the Army. The level of integrity that he shows, the loyalty to his country is something I certainly admire. There's so many people that I don't think take a second to think about who's overseas so they can have the freedom to walk down the street. It makes me think each and every day how thankful I am to have people like my cousin serving this great country.
If you look at a football player, their craft had to be taught. They had to learn it over and over again. And I think when you talk about the U.S. Army, it's the same way. You have to have that dedication in your life in order to succeed.
I think it's truly incredible that the Pro Football Hall of Fame and the U.S. Army are taking the time to give back to high school students. It really says a lot that they're trying to build and invest in the young kids of America.
Whether it be academics or athletics, he always talks about success he hopes to achieve, and I think he's very driven to try to achieve that success.
Next year, I'm going to be attending MIT. I'm going to do a little bit of mechanical engineering with a focus on medicine.
Whatever things that he decides to do in his life, he's going to be a leader at it. He's going to be the one to take it forward and step out front and be a part of it.
It's great to see when a person in any walk of life can be rewarded for what they've put into it. And I think it's something he'll embody forever.